other genes affect the outcome of the individual's sexual manifestation. For instance, there is TFS, or testicular feminization syndrome. In this, the individual is a Y chromosome, but when they're born, they look like little girls. There's a large clitoris, but girls have large clitorises when they're born anyway. No big deal. And then they grow up, they don't have a penis. Then when puberty hits, then you notice some things happening, because two things are obvious. Pardon?
Oh my, I'm having trouble.
Actually, three things happen. Number one, there's no menstrual period, so menarche does not occur. Number two, the individual grows extremely large breasts. Number three, secondary sexual hair is almost entirely absent. Nonetheless, sometimes these individuals who have not seen a doctor marry. They marry a man, and then they try to have children, and if they don't have children, and so the woman goes to the doctor to find out, well, why can't she have children? And then the doctor will do an examination and find that she is really chromosomally a he, but that a gene interfered with the development of the male characteristics, even though the Y chromosome is present. A testicular feminization syndrome. There's another one that we see in the Caribbean, and it goes by a number of different names, but one of the names is Huevodosis. In this, the individual is once again born looking like a female, but then at puberty, all of a sudden, that thing that they thought was a clitoris starts to grow. The testes may or may not descend. It's obvious that the individual has a small penis, and at puberty, the individual has a choice of staying a girl or woman, or changing and becoming a man. They are infertile, can't have children. So, is this a male or is this a female? Or something else? How about the testicular feminization syndrome? Is that individual a male or female? Or something else? And then we get into the question of homosexuality. We know that homosexuality in males, for instance, at times is a male that has had the testosterone create the body of a male, but the brain hasn't clicked into being interested in females. That there has been essentially an incomplete transformation of the individual from this female to male, at least that's one hypothesis. Also, we have interesting finding that the male that is the fourth or fifth son born of the same woman has a 2 to 3 times probability of becoming gay than the firstborn. And we have a biological explanation for that. The woman, a child, of course, is a foreign body inside of a woman. Now, our immune system is set up to kill these things, anything that's different than us. But the child inside of her is half different. Nonetheless, the child is protected in many ways from being killed by the immune system, because that is their child, and that's how we reproduce. Nonetheless, women, as they have more and more sons, produce antibodies to the production of androgen. And so the more sons she has, the higher the titer of this antibody. And that's the explanation for that. How about women who are interested in women? That one hasn't been worked out, in part because research hasn't been interested in it. One of my colleagues found an interesting article that may explain a little bit of it, and that is that in monkeys that were found in one of the non-wild situations, that females who had very low levels of androgen